You've probably seen this on the water fixtures in your home, or noticed that it's hard to get soap to lather when you shower. Know what it is? It's the effect of hard water, which 80% of Americans have, and many don't even know it. Some of the more damaging outcomes of hard water are the ones we can't see or feel.
Where you don't see scale is inside the plumbing system, because nobody's inside their pipes. So down in the water heater, it becomes super encrusted. Like the white scale you see on your faucet builds up along the actual inner tube of that water heater, and you actually lose complete efficiency because it's actually building up and creating reduced flow and lack of energy efficiency. So when you get a 1/4 inch of limescale buildup, you've got 40% efficiency loss, which means if it were going to cost $100 to heat that water, it's now going to cost $140 to heat that water. Anytime something has to work harder, it's not going to work as long as well. So all of your water using appliances, your fixtures throughout your home, your glass shower door that becomes completely etched, these are all things that if you go to resell your home, you want to replace them.
Why does this happen? Magnesium and calcium precipitate out of water when there's an increase in temperature or a decrease in pressure, sticking to the pipes and fixtures, which over time causes buildup. But innovations in physical water treatment are changing the way this problem is controlled. It's a technique that's been used in oil fields and other applications with great success for years, and it's finally making its way into consumers' homes.
Radio frequency works by keeping the minerals suspended in clusters and not attached to any of your fixtures. So as water passes through your plumbing system, over time it dissolves the scale that's already built up. This is physical water treatment. There is no filtration required. We're actually making room in the water for scale to go back into solution. So as water passes through your plumbing system, over time it dissolves the scale that's already built up. We don't take anything out of the water. All the minerals are left in the water and just travel with the water.
Flowtech is revolutionizing the way homeowners treat hard water without the use of softeners, salts, or chemicals. Flowtech's maintenance-free device sends a radio frequency signal into the water throughout the plumbing system that prevents limescale buildup, resulting in greater water flow efficiency with 100% consistency.
We spent several years developing this technology for use in specifically in oil and gas wells. The applications that we started off with are far more severe than anything that anyone will encounter in a home. The hardness of water in a home is maybe 300 parts per million. We have worked with applications that are 300,000 parts per million. Solving this in the home was easy.
It was kind of a no-brainer for us because it had worked so well in these extreme environments like the oil and gas industry and power generation, cooling for commercial applications, that we thought, why not take this technology to homeowners so that they could realize the same benefits that the commercial and industrial world realized. This system's the most technologically advanced system available to homeowners, and therefore it needs to be installed by plumbing contractors. The reason for this is so that it can be tested and verified that it's properly grounded and the signal is in fact propagating throughout the house.
As the largest provider of plumbing and air conditioning services in the US, we've installed thousands of these products, and we've been very, very happy not only with the performance, but also with the fact that it's easy to install and maintenance-free. And when you take a look at some of the other benefits that it drives, not only from the standpoint of convenience for our customers, but also from the eco-friendly side, as well as the protection that it offers in terms of the infrastructure of the house and the piping, it's just a natural win for all of us.
When we talk about expanding the life efficiency of appliances, think about what we're doing for our landfills. Every time we only use one water heater versus two, we're reducing an entire tank going into the landfill, and that's really what we stand to do. I just want consumers to understand that if they are looking for an eco-friendly, maintenance-free, scale control solution, Flowtech is by far the best answer.
To learn more and find a licensed FlowTech contractor, visit flowtechhome.com today. You've probably seen this on the water fixtures in your home, or noticed that it's hard to get soap to lather when you shower. Know what it is? It's the effects of hard water, which 80% of Americans have, and many don't even know it. The calcium and magnesium that build up in your pipes are the culprit, and it's wreaking havoc on your fixtures and appliances that use water. FlowTech is revolutionizing the way homeowners treat hard water without the use of softeners, salts, or chemicals. By deploying radio frequency into the water column, FlowTech is preventing and reversing limescale buildup, resulting in greater water flow efficiency with 100% consistency. Say goodbye to scale with a maintenance-free, eco-friendly water softener alternative that works. FlowTech, the plumber's choice for water solutions. To learn more and find a licensed FlowTech contractor, visit flowtechhome.com today.